Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 12th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir, I am not surprised. Palantir closed down 34 cents, 1.46% at 22.95. This is clearly not a surprise. This is clearly not a surprise. Let me just draw another support line here. So there's a support line at I'm gonna say 22.78 approximately. So 22.78 is just a support line that the stock seems to be obeying so far, but the trend is still bearish. So we have a very steep resistance line, and that resistance line has not been broken. We tried to break it during the day, so it broke during the day, but we basically closed below it at the end of the day. So this resistance line has not been broken, so the trend is still intact. Based on this, Palantir is still going down. If we look at the post-market, just going to make a comment on this. I think that TradingView has some problems with the post-market when we are so close to the end of the day. So I think their numbers is a little bit off. So basically the downtrend is still intact. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see if there's something special. Well, during this hour there was quite a bit of volatility. So we went up to 23.50. So we went up to that resistance and then came back down almost to the 22.78 I just talked about. And then we went sideways and went lower, lower, and lower. So look at the stochastic here on the 1 hour chart. So the stochastic is going even lower. So this is giving a special tone for tomorrow, the tone that maybe things are really going down even further. Going back to the daily chart, let's look at the stochastic to see where the stochastic is. So basically the stochastic is going down. So we are at 1333 and we were last Friday at 19. So this horizontal move of today compared to last Friday, the stochastic is saying, well, yeah, I'm not impressed by that. You are still going down, my friend. So this is why we have the red thumb, because the stochastic is under 50. In terms of the MACD, I'm gonna have to put 2 red thumb down, because now we have one of the 2 lines that is under 0. So there's 1 thumb in terms of if we have a crossover between the 2 lines. If the blue line is over the orange line, there's a green thumb up for that. And there's a thumb up for whether or not the 2 lines of the MACD are above 0 or under 0. And now we have one under 0. So we just became red there. And for the stochastic, we are red since July 6th. So nothing special here. Based on what I see here, Palantir is still going down. So $21 is the next stop on that train. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for subscribing. If you subscribe, you will see my videos in your feed every single weekday, and also in the weekend for Tesla and Palantir. We have a Patreon account. We have a Discord server. We have a TradingView affiliate link if you are interested in getting a paid plan. I'm going to tell you, have a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and à la prochaine.